MYSURU is one of the best cloud art application. Adobe Creative Cloud is made for the designer, artists, filmmakers and other creative professionals. It offers online distance learning platforms and student information portals to the student. Hello to all, a warm welcome to my new session on digital fluency, and the topic is applications of cloud computing. I am Revati from the Department of Computer Science, Vidhyaashram, First Grade College, Temple of Excellence, MYSURU. Today's session, at the beginning, I am going to deal with the applications of cloud computing. That means in which are the fields we can able to use cloud computing. Now, before going to start my today's session, let's recall the topic which I have discussed in my previous session. So, dear student, I started with the applications of Internet of Things. So, what are the applications of IoT? Here, IoTs are mainly used in the areas like industry, traffic management, water management, smart house, garbage collection or garbage management, etc. These are some of the applications of Internet of Things. Now, in my today's session, I'm going to deal with the applications of cloud computing, and the first advantage or the first application here is art application. So here cloud computing offers various art applications in order to design attractive card, booklets, vouchers and images. Some of the commonly used cloud computing tool is MYSURU. MYSURU is one of the best cloud art application, and it is mainly used for designing as well as printing business card as well as postcard as well as mini cards. The next application here is Vista Print. So Vista Print allows us to easily design various printed marketing products such as business card or postcard, booklets as well as wedding invitation. Now, the another tool that is Adobe Creative Cloud. So Adobe Creative Cloud is made for the designer, artists, filmmakers and other creative professionals. And example here, Photoshop, image editing programs like InDesign. So these are some of the applications of cloud computing with respect to art. Now, the another application, business application. So here, to improve the business, we are going to use cloud computing. Business applications are mainly based on the cloud service provider. By using cloud service provider, we can able to provide 24/7 business service. Example here, PayPal. By using PayPal, it offers the simplest and easy way online transaction mode. So here PayPal is the best example for business application. Now, if I consider data storage and backup application, the main idea behind cloud computing is to provide data storage as well as backup application. Now, cloud computing allows us to store the information on the cloud. So, information may be data, files, image, audio files or video files on the cloud, and access this information using an internet connection. So here the cloud provider is responsible for providing security, and it offers various backup as well as recovery applications. And some of the example here is box.com. So here Box provides an online environment for secure content management, workflow as well as collaboration. It allows the user to store the data such as Excel, Word, PDF and images on the cloud. Now, I'm going to have education application. If I consider cloud computing, it plays very important role in education application. Nowadays, because of this technology, we can able to have online video conferencing, online classroom, or it has happened only because of cloud computing, and it provides distance education also. So here cloud computing in the education sector becomes more popular because we can able to reduce the distance. That means some students want to study in abroad but they cannot able to get in, but by using online facility they can able to get into. So here it offers online distance learning platforms and student information portals to the student. So using cloud in the field of education is that it offers strong virtual classroom environment. That means students are going to get the same offline class virtual environment, that is known as strong virtual classroom environment by using cloud computing. So here easy to access, it provides easy accessibility, provides secure data storage, scalability, greater research for the student and minimal hardware requirements for the application. Example, Google Apps for education. So here Google Apps for Education is the most widely platform for free web-based email, calendar, documents, etc. And the cloud computing is also used in the fields like entertainment application. So here most of the entertainment industries are going to use multi-cloud strategy to interact with the target audience, and cloud computing offers various entertainment applications like online gaming or video conferencing. If I consider online gaming, nowadays online game become pathway to the income as well as entertainment. So here today cloud computing becomes one of the most entertainment media. It offers various online games that run remotely from the cloud. So here I can have GeForce or Project X Cloud, PlayStation, etc. These are the some of the cloud services, which is provided by the cloud computing. And the another application here is management application. So here cloud offers various cloud management tools and which helps the administrative office to manage all the data. That means admins to manage all type of cloud activities like resource deployment, data integration, as well as disaster recovery. These management application provides administrative control over platform, infrastructure, as well as application. The example here is Go Meeting. By using Go Meeting, we can able to conduct online meeting as well as online video conferencing. The next application here is social application. So social application allows a large number of users to connect with each other using social networking websites like Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, etc. And if I consider Facebook, Facebook is a social networking website which allows active user to share the file, photos, videos, status, and more. There are friends, relatives, and business partners who is going to use cloud storage system. If I consider Twitter, here Twitter is also example for social media website or site. It is a micro blogging system. It allows user to follow high profile celebrities, friends, relatives, and retrieve news. It sends and receives short post called tweets. That means here tweeters are responsible for receiving short posts, that is known as tweets. So dear student, this is all about today's session. That means in my today's session, I started with the applications of cloud computing, and this is the last topic under digital fluency. Anyway, dear student, thank you for supporting me and thank you for watching me, and let's start reading and let's start gaining the knowledge. Thank you.